Hello everybody. For today's video I'm going to be showing my love how to make some coasters. So I already have everything set up for him. I have the epoxy, we're going to make 4 coasters here, and then a wine glass holder set here. This one is going to be with the pearl alcohol ink and the rose alcohol ink, and we have rose gold foil. We got these cool little silicone epoxy measuring cups that are reusable, and it came with a little spatula, so that's what we're going to use. I'm going to talk him through everything. Alright, so first you want to put on your gloves. And these molds are kind of pink tinged just from the way I made other coasters, but it doesn't affect any other thing that you do. So, alright, so first we're gonna pour the epoxy. So all epoxy comes in 2 parts. One part is the hardener, and this is just a Dr. Crafty kind that I got from Amazon. So we're going to mix the epoxy, and it has to be equal parts, and it's very important that you get precise measurements or else your molds won't harden correctly. So for this, we're going to try to do 200 of part A and then 200 of part B. Doing great so far. Don't mind the little baby in the back.
Oh, shit.
Alright, so next we want to mix our epoxy for 1 to 2 minutes. And you want to not mix very fast because you want to avoid as many air bubbles as you can. So mix pretty slow. You should be able to see once it starts to get incorporated. So for about 1 or 2 minutes. And you can see it getting mixed in pretty good. And remember, protect your countertops. Epoxy is not very forgiving. It'll stick. Just take your red cup, because for this design, you're gonna put a little bit of the rose gold flakes into the red cup. Just dump a bit. I don't know if that was a good idea.
Damn.
Try to pour some epoxy in there. It's like kind of staticky, huh?
Yeah. We can get through this though.
Try to pour some epoxy in there and mix it up to see if it.
Oh, that should be enough, huh? Good enough.
Good. That's what his is looking like. Try to point it towards the light. Alright. So now you're going to put that around the center part of your mold. Try to do that for them. So next you're going to pour the rest of the epoxy to fill the rest of the sides. That's just the center design. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Great job. Okay. You can always add more. You don't have to be all the way to the top. Okay. I'm gonna alternate this pearl color and this rose color. So I'm gonna put a few drops of one. And this gold leaf is very sticky and staticky, so be careful with that. And you can do what kind of ever design you want if you want to go around in a circle, or you know, put a few drops somewhere. Let's do the same for the coasters. That's what this is looking like. That rose color is very light. And the thing about the alcohol ink is it spreads on its own. Shake it up. You can put a few drops in there somewhere. And you can keep putting the rose color or whatever light color you have if you're doing this design as much as you want. This pearl color is just going to give it kind of like an iridescent. And this one kind of looks like a flower already. You can put some more of the rose in the deep part, make it pinker. And we have these bamboo skewer sticks that we got. They're in the drawer. And you can use that to go through, line through. Try to skip the middle so you don't mess up the gold flakes. And that'll kind of mix it up a little bit. What do you think about the design? You want some more pink? You want to have a different color?
I wonder how dark it's going to be.
You know, this is the design we have for this one. Alright, and we should wait. Alright, this is how my honey's coasters came out. You can't really tell on camera, but they are pink tinged, and then you have the pink detail. This is the detailing. This is the other side. So he did a great job for it being his first time. Okay, and this is of course the wine glass holder set. I'm trying not to touch it too much until it's fully cured. But he just did a very, very easy, simple design. And it came out pretty good. These are purple tinge, just not really showing up on camera. But he just added glitter to these. So I'm going to set these outside so they can harden some more. but of course they're not runny, and they should be fully cured within 72 hours. And after that, all I have to do is do the gold leaf pin sides, and I'll show you guys the video of that. So stay tuned.